Now let us see a problem. 50 kilograms of nitrogen and 10 kilograms of hydrogen are mixed to produce ammonia. Calculate the amount of ammonia formed and identify limiting reagent and excess reagent. Also calculate the amount of excess reagent left unreacted. So this is the reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen to form ammonia. The balanced chemical equation is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. That is 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 2 moles of hydrogen to form 2 moles of ammonia. In terms of mass, 28 grams of nitrogen reacts with 6 grams of hydrogen to form 34 grams of ammonia. But the given mass of nitrogen is 50 kilogram, that is 50,000 grams, and 10 kilograms of hydrogen, 10,000 grams of hydrogen. We know that 28 grams of nitrogen reacts with 6 grams of hydrogen to completely react with. But what about 50,000 grams of nitrogen react with how much of hydrogen? So 50,000 grams of nitrogen reacts with 6 by 28, that is 28 grams nitrogen reacts with 6 grams hydrogen. Reacts with 6 grams of hydrogen. Therefore, 50,000 grams of nitrogen reacts with 6 by 28 into 50,000, that is 10,714.28 grams of hydrogen. Is in kilogram 10.714 kilograms of hydrogen. But they gave 10 kilograms of hydrogen. So 50 kilograms of nitrogen is given, 10 kilograms of hydrogen is given. But when we do calculation, 50,000 grams, that is 50 kilograms of nitrogen reacts with or requires 10.7 kilograms of hydrogen. But it is given 10 kilogram. So the amount of hydrogen required is more than the given mass. Correct. The amount of hydrogen required is 10.714, but they given 10 kilograms. So this is your limiting reagent, because this mass is required. 10.7 kilogram of hydrogen is required, but they gave only 10 kilograms. So this is the mass is present in less than the actual required. So 10 kilogram of hydrogen is given. Therefore, hydrogen is the limiting reagent and nitrogen is the excess reagent. So how to we identified which is limiting reagent, which is excess reagent. Limiting reagent is hydrogen, excess reagent is nitrogen. Now we calculate the amount of ammonia formed. So how to predict the amount of how to calculate the amount of products formed? The amount of product formed depends on the limiting reagent. So limiting reagent is hydrogen. So according to this equation, 6 grams of hydrogen forms 34 grams of ammonia. So 6 grams of hydrogen form 34 grams of ammonia. But the given mass of hydrogen is 10,000 grams, that is 10 kilograms. So 10,000 grams of hydrogen reacts with 34 by 6 into 10,000, that is 56,606.6 grams. In kilograms, it is 56.6 kilograms of ammonia. So this is the amount of ammonia formed. This is calculated based on the limiting reagent. So this question is also over. Now we have to calculate the amount of excess reagent left unreacted. What is the excess reagent here? Excess reagent is nitrogen, which means the 50 kilograms of nitrogen will not completely react with 10 kilograms of hydrogen. Right. Therefore, some amount of nitrogen is present in excess, that is, it remains unreacted. So how to calculate this amount? We know that 6 grams of hydrogen reacts with 28 grams of nitrogen according to the balanced equation. Therefore, 10,000 grams of hydrogen, there is a given mass of hydrogen is this much. 10,000 grams of hydrogen reacts with how much of nitrogen? That is 28 by 6 into 10,000 gives 46.6 kilograms. But the given mass of nitrogen is 50 kilograms. But it requires only 46.6 kilograms to react with 10 kilograms of hydrogen. So the mass of nitrogen unreacted is 50 kilogram is given, 46.6 kilogram is reacted. Therefore, the remaining mass of the excess reagent the excess reagent mass unreacted is 3.4 grams.